This one, I've seen it chase somebody. Yeah, it trampled people.
Hello and welcome to this day's edition of Bull Riding Weekly. Today we have a 6-year-old on a bull. This could get dangerous.
That's for girls, right? And you just let go and then jump.
I'll just sit like this then.
So meet the first two kid bullfighters. Oh yeah.
He's probably gonna come towards this way. I know, because he's in the shoe. Like that. He's gonna turn. He's gonna turn and come right towards.
Any second now.
Daddy!
Tick tock. 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 This is taking forever. When is this going to start? I have no idea. You ready? Any minute now. Any second now. Any millisecond now. Any hour now. Any day now. Any year now. Any decade now. It will start just a few moments right after the beat. You ready? Please wait till after the beat. You ready? Yes. 6-year-old rides bull.
Ready to go?
Slow gate.
Get ready. Get ready. Don't hold on there, pal. Hold on there. Hold on that, right there. Hold on tight. You're okay.
Yeah, maybe not anywhere close to like 10 years from now. Yep. Yeah, but whatever. Just wait for the beep.
You ready?
It'll all come sooner than you think.
Ready? You got it. Okay, ready?
Beep. What was that? Well, there you have it. 6-year-old rides bull.
Hey, Mark. Look. Mark.
Daddy!
What?
I'm hungry.
I want to ride.
We just ate. You have to wait.
Please have a drink.
So, random sir,
Daddy!
how old is that young fellow?
6.
Yep, just what I thought.
Daddy, I want a drink.
You should be a bull riding class.
And I so am 6 too.
And there's a girl, 6-year-old.